Hello, my name is Namita Bhatia. I am a NLP practitioner, coach, and hypnotherapist. I wanted to talk to you today about the 10-week program that I run for children aged between 8 and 12. I'm currently midway between one such program, and I will be starting another one in January 2020. This program is a NLP4Kids 10-week confidence building program. It will help your child become more confident, help them learn to get themselves into a positive state, emotional state quickly. It will help them control negative emotions. It will help them learn to communicate gracefully and confidently. It will increase their motivation levels. And just overall, it will give them a positive outlook in life. So as I said, I am midway between one of the 10-week programs that I started in September this year, and I just wanted to share with you an email that I got last week from the school of one of the children who are attending this program. It was from the mentor of this child, and it said, I'm going to quote, but I'm going to remove the name of the child and the mother from it just for GDPR purposes. I have been given your name by the mother of the child who is attending one of your workshops. She has told me that you have had a very positive impact on the well-being of the child, and we at school can see this. I have been his mentor for some time and can see a change in him. If you would like to see more testimonials, they are on my website. Do have a look. My website is www.achievewithnlp.co.uk. And if you would like regular updates, then please do like my Facebook page, as I do post regularly on it tips and updates, and I will be posting details of my upcoming workshop on it as soon as I finalize the details. I look forward to hearing from you, and thank you for watching.